A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wing in the orange sun, raising dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opened his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings for freedom. Another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the siding trees, and the fat worms waiting on the dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams, his shadow shouts on the nightmare scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opened his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings